All right. I set my bike down because there's no flat ground. I could put the kickstand down. I just kind of had to lean it into the hill. I think we're just gonna coast down this. Gonna be like this all the way down. Super loose. Nice views coming down here. This is sweet. Still a little too, a little warm to be out here. That's probably why there's nobody else out here. It is Sunday. And like this is kind of the not so popular part of this riding area. There's some really good hard enduro out here. Stuff that I'm definitely nervous about doing, especially by myself. Coming down off the ridge now, about back to where it's mostly road. I mean, it's still like single track, kind of double tracky, but not as overgrown as this, at least. I know if we get back down into the valley where the truck is, there's some, like I said, there's some older, it says unsanctioned historical moto trail. But that's where we're heading. I think this is the trail. This place would be really good after a nice rain. It's a nice sprinkle, I should say. Liking this. Just loose, that's all. I can come up that. Sometimes out here you gotta be careful. You go down into a valley and then you realize, oh shoot, I gotta go back up that now. Can't turn around, or there's a tree across the trail, or some type of obstruction, washout, who knows, something. It's cool, we're on a nice little ridge line though. Man, I am liking these trails, that's for sure. This is awesome. It's very dusty here, so I'm glad I'm alone. I'm glad I'm alone, and I'm sketched that I'm alone. But taking it easy. Alright, it's 91 degrees now. It's definitely getting warmer. down anything quite like this. I mean, I guess when I was up at Mission Creek, it was pretty similar. But this is just kind of totally unique to me. That was one of the hill climbs. This is a little sketchy right here. I think I'm stopping here. No? What's that over there? Alright, what do we got down here? Sandy little shelves with exposure are not very confidence inspiring. Oh, I thought that tree was going to be blocking me for a second. Nice. Whew. I am so hot right now. 96. It just keeps getting warmer and warmer. I am dying here. Let's just turn this thing around. What do we got here? Oh, that's not the beaver up that. Uh-oh. I'm gonna die of heat exhaustion here. Let's get the bike up. All right, we're going back. Let's just get down in the shade and we'll break. I almost lost my glasses. I left them right there and they didn't fall off. Whee! We're out of here. I am just out of energy, and like I said, I'm up here alone, so. Whoa! Oh. Crazy, like one little bobble and it totally kills my energy. So yeah, I had to stop and just lay down. It's getting dizzy, so I laid down on my, took my shirt off and laid down on my shirt, almost dozed off. We should get heading back. But let's get going. We're gonna cross the fire road here in a few minutes, and we're just gonna take that all the way back down to the main road where my truck's at. Still a little bit of a ride to get out of here, but we're just gonna tiptoe our way out. Trails out here, very cool. Where does this go? Is this a shortcut? This might go right to the fire road right here. Oh, it does. The fire road is right there. Let's take it. day? Climb bike. Wow. Dude, I'm right in my truck. Look at that. We're back. Sweet. Feeling whatever, public beach. Salem Lake, Lake Salem. Let's go check it out. Oh wow, we can go right out onto the beach here? Whoa, look at this. Made it back. Oh, there's 0% on the battery. It's gonna die. We made it back. Sweet. Camera is definitely fuzzy and smudged. The lens got smudged.